Good morning, everybody. I am cooking breakfast right now. As you see, I'm making some cheesy eggs and sausage links for us. Yes, I have this muted and I had to talk over because it was very loud in the background. I apologize for that. But anyways, we had a beautiful morning. We're enjoying the day and starting our morning off right with a nice, simple, easy breakfast, you guys. So yeah, all right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this little cooking couple second video. I will see y'all whenever the food is ready. All right, y'all, breakfast is served. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys what we have. So we're starting with the Journey's plate. We have 1 waffle, 4 grapes, and 2 sausages. Also with syrup. Same thing is for Raya. 1 waffle, 4 grapes, and 2 sausages. I have 2 mild sausage and 4 links. Also along with 2 pieces of wheat bread. You guys, ever since I tasted this bread, it's my favorite bread. I've been eating it by itself lately. It's so good. Cheesy eggs with syrup. Zay has cheesy eggs without syrup. 6 little sausages, 2 sausage links, cinnamon sticks, and 2 waffles with syrup. That is our morning breakfast, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. He also has this cup of coffee already. So let's go ahead and enjoy our breakfast. Yeah, y'all. One thing I don't like about cooking is when a fire alarm goes off. I hate that. Well, I'm not gonna say hate, I dislike that. That's one of my worst things when I'm in the kitchen, is when the fire alarm goes off, because it bugs me and it irritates me. But yeah. So this is how the outside is looking right now, y'all. The wind is blowing. It's beautiful. Look, I don't know if you guys can see. Look at that plane going across. How cool is that? It went to the clouds, y'all. But yeah, so beautiful. So let's go ahead and serve up the breakfast and let's get to eating. Matter of fact, I might have me another cup of coffee because I am too tired and I need to get up. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a cup of coffee for me. I already had a cup, but I gave it to Zay. But I'm just gonna go ahead and make me another cup because I think I need it. Especially if I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful, lovely breakfast that I just made. I definitely need a nice cup of coffee to go along with that. So yeah. But we will be back when after we eat to let you guys know how it tastes. And yeah, so catch you on the next clip. What's up, y'all? So yes, this is like a day later from the breakfast video. I forgot to finish that video. My apology. I know I'm late. We've been stacking up on so many content videos lately. So much content we've been doing, y'all. So that's my fault. I messed that up. But anyways, we are here today finishing this video up so that I can get out, because I know you guys are probably waiting on it. You always waiting on our videos, right? We all know. Yes. Okay, anyways. Look at the sky, you guys. The sky looks really dark. We was actually out here earlier walking the dog. Me, Zay, and Nora, and Loki. And we literally got rained on because we were standing outside just chilling with the dog. And like all of a sudden, we felt like a little bit of sprinkles. And then the rain literally started pouring down. So we had to hurry up and rush back in the house. But yeah, y'all. But today's been so good, you guys. Today's been a really amazing day so far. Nature is beautiful, besides it's really, really wet and nasty kind of. But other than that, nature is lovely. Stay motivated, keep pushing forward, never give up, and don't let nobody stop your success, because the only thing you can do is work hard and do what you have to do to feel good about yourself and to cherish your moments in life and to conquer your dreams and your goals and achieve everything you want to do in life, because I believe in you. We all believe in you. Believe in yourself, believe in faith, have faith in God, have faith in yourself, and believe in yourself. But my mind is going crazy, y'all. Look at this plane. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look. Right there. But yeah, I love sitting outside watching planes, y'all. That's one of my favorite things. I used to do that when I was a kid. I would literally sit outside and watch the planes like all day long. This plane is very sideways. I don't know if y'all can see. Okay, I think they're just playing at this point. So anyways, hopefully y'all enjoying this video. We will get back on here on the next video, and we will just see how life goes and what life does for us. And yeah, y'all, So stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.